Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet a simple flower. For this purpose, I'm using a 3-ply cotton yarn and a 4mm steel crochet hook. To start, first of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers and make a magic ring with the help of crochet hook, which is basically a loose slip knot. To start your first row, make chain 1, go into the magic ring, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet stitch. Go into the magic ring again, repeat the same pattern and make single crochet 2, single crochet 3. I am going to make 8 petal flower, so I am going to make 8 single crochet stitches. After completing 8 single crochet stitches, pull the starting yarn tail to form a ring and go into the first single crochet stitch and make a slip stitch to finish your first row. For the second row, make chain 3. Chain 3 is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn, go into the first single crochet stitch, pull the yarn, pull through 2 loops and then pull through 2 loops to make a second double crochet stitch after chain 3. Repeat the same pattern, wrap the yarn and pull through 2 loops and then pull through 2 loops. This is our third double crochet stitch. Go into the same stitch and make double crochet 4. Go into the same stitch and make double crochet 5. After making 5 double crochet stitches including chain 3, pull the yarn, remove your crochet hook, go into this first stitch which is chain 3, go into the top of chain 3 and pull this loop from this stitch and then make 2 chains. After making 2 chains, wrap the yarn again, go into the second single crochet stitch for next popcorn stitch and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4 and double crochet 5. After making 5 double crochet stitches, pull the yarn again, go into the first double crochet stitch here and pull this loop through this first double crochet stitch to make a second popcorn stitch. Now again make chain 2. After making chain 2, go into the third single crochet stitch and repeat the same pattern and make 5 double crochet stitches into this third single crochet stitch to make a popcorn stitch. This is our third double crochet stitch, double crochet 4 and double crochet 5. After completing 5 double crochet stitches, again remove your hook, go into the first double crochet stitch and pull this loop through your first double crochet stitch to make a third popcorn stitch. Repeat the same pattern and complete 8 popcorn stitches. After completing, make last chain 2, go into the chain 3 and make a slip stitch. After making a slip stitch, go into this chain 2 space and make a slip stitch. From here we are going to start our petals. So make chain 3. Chain 3 is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn, go into the same chain 2 space and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and double crochet 3. Now again make chain 3, go into the same chain 2 space, pull the yarn and make a slip stitch. So we are having total of 5 double crochet stitches including chain 3 in our first petal. Now go into the second chain 2 space, make a slip stitch and make chain 3. Now make 3 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3. Now make chain 3. After making chain 3, go into the same chain 2 space and make a slip stitch. Go into the third chain 2 space and make a slip stitch. Start with chain 3. After making chain 3, go into the chain 2 space and make 3 double crochet stitches. After making 3 double crochet stitches, make chain 3 and make a slip stitch. So this is very simple and beginner friendly crochet flower. Make the remaining pattern by repeating the same pattern. After completing all the petals, make a slip stitch into this first slip stitch, pull the yarn and cut the extra yarn. After cutting the extra yarn, weave this extra yarn with the help of needle. So go to the back side. After going to the back side, weave your yarn to some back side stitches of this petal and cut the extra yarn, and you can use the starting yarn tail to add a bead or button. If you want to add in the center of the flower, you can add this button or bead. This is completely optional. So if you like this flower, please give it a try. You can use it in different crochet projects. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.